Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and today I have the NEO and some Freewell filters for the NEO. Now when the NEO came out and I did my reviews in the past, a lot of people said, you know, the camera looks pretty good, but could it get better? Well, maybe if you put ND filters or polarized filters on it, maybe they will get better. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to fly the NEO around me and I'm going to stand still or I'm going to turn and look at the NEO, and each time I do that I'm going to put a different filter on and we'll see if there's any difference in the quality of the video image. So here we go. Here we have the two packs of filters. These are normal ND filters. So you have ND8, ND16, ND32. Same thing here, except these also have a coating of polarization to them. And if you're new to filters, ND filter stands for neutral density, and what they do is they reduce the amount of light coming in, so it slows the shutter in the NEO. You might get a bit of motion blur. And when you combine the ND filter coating with the polarized coating, then you get motion blur as well as reduced glare. So you see how I'm getting glare here? If this camera I was recording with had a polarized filter on it, you probably would not see that glare. Inside the box you get a jewel case with 3 filters, as you can see here. You also get a sticky attachment ring right there. You have to apply one of these to the NEO. I've already done that, and you get a spare one. Other included items would be installation instructions, as well as stickers, as well as a microfiber lint cloth to clean your fingerprints off. And there was something else. Oh, right here. A quality control card and learn the basics of filters. And just to show you, on the front of my NEO, I have the attachment. It's just glued right onto the front. You can see it. It's a piece of metal and it's got double-sided tape. It glues onto the front of your camera. You can pull it off if you don't want it there, but you leave it on, and then the filters, they just magnetically attach. So they won't fall off unless you bang into something hard. Alright, I gotta stop recording with the NEO because the sun keeps going behind a cloud and you cannot use ND filters on cloudy days with the NEO. So you saw in that review, everything was filmed with bright sunlight. Now, if it had been overcast or cloudy, you would see a lot of noise in the image because the NEO does not have a camera with a very high exposure rate for dark areas. And here comes the sun again. Alright, so let me finish up this video. So let me tell you what you probably didn't notice in the video. When the ND filters are on the NEO, there is a slight improvement in the picture quality because darks are a little darker and brights are a little brighter, so that contrasting imagery looks pretty decent. Unfortunately, the shutter speed on the NEO is not sufficient enough to get motion blur. The only way you'll get motion blur is by putting on an ND32 filter, but at the same time you might get some grain noise in the image, which is something you don't want. So I think with these filters, I think basically the ND8 and maybe the ND16 are the only ones you would use, not really the ND32. Also, the polarized filters, I'm a fan of polarized filters. The only problem with polarized filters is that the polarization is only in one direction, so you might fly your NEO in one direction and the polarization is working, and then you fly it in another direction, there's no polarization. That is true of every polarized filter on the market. And now that the sun has gone out again, I guess what I should do is sum up this video and say, well, I'll put put links below to these filters. You can go check out the price. I honestly do not know what the price is for these filters because Freewell sent them to me. They saw my video on the Neo and they said, hey, would you like to try the filters and see if that improves the image? And I've tried it and it slightly improves the image, but I'll leave it up to you if you thought it really improved the image. So links to the filters are below. Go check them out. I'll also put a link to the Neo. You probably already have one or you have one on the way because these are pretty popular. So with all that said, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions on this video, just post them below and I'll get back to you. So for now, I say thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, I say bye.